Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. In just 5 minutes, let us start with AI. AI is when machine can think and make decisions like human. For example, video recommendations on YouTube. Let us understand in a simple way. Imagine you open YouTube. You watch one video about cricket. After that, YouTube starts searching more cricket videos. Why this happen? Because it understands what you like and suggests similar videos. This ability to understand and make decisions is called artificial intelligence. Okay, then let us move to the next important topic, which is machine learning. Machine learning is when machine learns from data. For example, if you show many cat photos to a computer, it learns what a cat look like. Okay, then let us understand in the simple way. Now, how does a machine learn this? Imagine we show a computer 100 pictures of cats. It start learning what a cat look like ears, eyes, shape, everything. Next time, if we show a new picture, it can say this is cat. This learning from data is called machine learning. Okay, then let us move to the next advanced learning, which is deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural network. Example, a self-driving car learning from large data and make decisions is called deep learning. Now let us understand in the simple way. Imagine a self-driving car. When it is learning, it shown thousands of road images, traffic signals, people, road vehicles, etc. Slowly, it learns everything like when to stop, when to turn, when to move. After learning, when it is on the road, it can recognize things instantly and it takes decision by itself, like stopping at red signals or avoiding obstacles. This deep level of learning and make decisions is called deep learning. I hope you understand. Thank you.